Welcome back to the show, guys. Just in case you didn't know, we're in Crossroads this week. Old school artists rocking the crowd in New York. It all went down at Reeewind at Club Amazuru, promoted by Irish and Chin. Let's check out the highlights.
Reeewind, you know. I know we love a concept. Yeah, I love a concept. Why? Because, you know, I see where somebody I try endorse elder them to the fullest. We are listening out of Jamaica. You have Jamaica, great superstars. You know, just like America. You know, but our superstars in Jamaica don't get the treatment and the respect what they're supposed to get.
We've been doing it for five or 6 years now. I tend to lose count, but we see the momentum building. We see the appreciation for, you know, the vintage style of dancehall, and it leaves you to ask the question, what is dancehall really? And when I say what is dancehall really, I mean that today we call dancehall with, you know, the modern day dancehall artists, but none of the modern day dancehall artists are really included in Reeewind, but it is still dancehall at its finest, you know, its rawest and finest thing. So it's all about preserving the culture of sound system culture and of dancehall culture, giving those who were alive and were young at that time a blast from the past, giving those who are now coming up in the culture to understand where the culture is coming from. We are still trying to get the younger generation to be attracted to this event and to really find out the roots of the actual music. The funny thing about most of the youngsters, they know the songs, but they don't know the artist who sings the songs. So when you see somebody like a Carlton Livingston walk out and the crowd is so quiet, and then when he sings Don't Follow Rumors, the place just explodes.
If you're a beauty pageant junkie, you're in the right place. Let's check out the 10 remaining finalists in the 2015 Ms Jamaica World pageant.
Why the pageant this year for you?
Well, like everybody else, I think it was just the perfect timing. I'm a medical doctor, so I did my internship, which is a very rough period. So I decided to get that out of the way. This time period, I had a little bit more time to myself and I could focus on the pageant as I should.
I was a part of the Gleaner's Girl Next Door competition where the people of Jamaica voted and I won, and it made me automatically a top 20 finalist in the Ms Jamaica World pageant.
Why Ms Jamaica World for you this year?
Well, the Ms Jamaica World pageant and the Miss World pageant by extension is known for not just its beauties, but beauty with a purpose. As you can see the 20 lovely ladies here, they're not just faces, they're intellectual young women who have promising careers, who have degree holders, you know, making a change basically with their lives. And I believe it's an excellent platform to just impact and embrace and touch the world in a special way.
I entered the Miss Middlesex pageant and I won that, so I'm automatically a top 20 finalist and I'm happy for it.
What was the reason why you chose pageant this year?
I think this year is a very important year for Jamaica, especially because of our success last year with pageantry. Ms Jamaica World, we're motivated and we're aiming ourselves at being beauties with purpose. So all of us here, all 20 of us, we're amazing young ladies, and I'm excited for us to win another Miss World title, whether it's myself, whoever it is. It's been a while since 1993, so I look forward for that.
I'm Renee Boland, and I wear the sash Amelia Morgandi.
Renee, why Miss Jamaica World 2015?
Well, I'm a shy person usually. I think I need to build my self-esteem, so that's one of the main reasons for joining this competition.
Has it been working so far?
Yes, it has. A lot of public speaking, like now that you're interviewing me, so it's a big step for me.
I'm looking forward to meeting more people, meeting new people. It's excellent for network marketing, also self-confidence, and just being more aware in Jamaica, current affairs, just being an ambassador, learning how to be one. I think that will go handy in the future.
How has the pageant been for you so far?
Great, it's been an amazing experience. I'm having tons of fun and I'm also learning while doing everything.
The pageant is just great. A lot of fun experiences. These girls, they're very beautiful, very amazing. It's going good so far.
Well, as you know, all pageants are different. Ms Jamaica World focuses on beauty with a purpose. And so far, it's been a different experience, and I am happy with myself for making this decision.
What are you looking forward to most in the pageant this year?
Well, to be honest, I'm not really looking forward to anything specific, but I enter the pageant to compete with myself, to compete with my personal best. So I'll be improving myself in the long run.
I think Ms Jamaica World challenges me to be my best self. I'm learning so much. I'm having such a great time with the girls. It helps me to work on my time management and work-life skills. And I'm just really enjoying the experience, you know?
Now we're on to our third and final commercial break. When we get back, it's our Caribbean video, our top 10 charts, and our Keeping Fit segment. We'll be right back.